Welcome back and thanks for staying with us to News Overseas Now. Wildfire near Madrid is now beyond the capacity of firefighters to contain, according to Spanish officials, after 3 separate fires west of the capital merged into a single massive blaze. Spain's government has declared a national emergency as fires rage across several areas near Madrid, forcing the evacuation of at least 30,000 people. Madrid's regional government has described it as the worst wildfire in the region's history, with a perfect storm of extreme heat, strong winds, and merging fire fronts fueling the flames. Meanwhile, in southwestern France, more than 110,000 people have also been evacuated as wildfires continue to spread.